Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve a medium problem, problem number 11, LeetCode. So it contains container with most water. So we are given an array of integers, and the position represent the width, and the position represent the distance from each objects, and the value represent the height of that wall. Okay, we can consider as a wall. So we want to return like container with the most water. So we have to return like area with the most area, which two points contains the most area. So like this zero. So we will take the minimum of, suppose, okay, suppose we take this first index and second index. So we are going to take the minimum, and then we are going to multiply by width. So minimum is 1 and width is also 1. The difference is 1. So 1 is to 1. This is one area. So now if we check the most water like this one. So like here, the minimum is 7. Okay, minimum is 6, and the width is also like 7. Okay, so the maximum area is 7. 7 into 7 is 47. So yeah, so like we can check like for the brute force solution will be like checking all possible combination of this. So like suppose we have this solution, so how do we find all possible combination? So we find all possible combination by two for loop. Okay, so like first taking this as a first wall, and then this as a first element, and then checking for each and every element, then skipping this and then checking for this value and checking for all the remaining. Similarly for 6, checking from 2 to 7, and for 5, checking from 4 to 7. Okay, like this. So it will going to take big of n square. So brute force is going to take big of n square. So can we do it in linear time? Okay, can we do it in linear time? So yeah, we can do it. Like we can be greedy, and like we can use two pointer approach. So we can keep a left pointer and right pointer, and we are going to calculate the area each time, and we are going to keep a maximum area variable at the top global level. And as soon as we find the maximum area, we are going to update that, and we are going to update the pointer. Suppose this pointer is less, so we are going to move this pointer, and now this pointer, suppose in the right, this pointer is less, then we are going to move this pointer. So whichever is left, whichever is small, we are going to move that pointer, and we are going to move from left is going to be at 0 and right is going to be at the extreme right. Okay, so let's try to solve it. So let's keep answer which will be max 0. Okay, for now. And by default, okay, there will be always be two characters, so there will always be some area. So as you can see, like the length can be in 2 raised to 10 raised to 5 power. So the lead code has like 10 power, it fails. Okay, 10. Then if there is 10 raised to 5, then you should always think of linear solution. Suppose, and if like constraint is like 100 or 1000, then you can look for n square solution. And if constraint is like very small, like 30, 10, 10 or 30, then you can look for, you can try brute force solution, which is like n cube or big of 2 raised to n. Okay, this both solution work. So 2 raised to this 2 raised, so yeah. So like see, so for this we need, linear solution. For 100 we need square solution, and for this we need like this is a rough idea which will give you constraint. So yeah, and cube can also work over here, so but we can try both. So like if 10 raised to power, then you should look for linear solution. If the constraint is like 100, then you can go for square or cube. And if constraint is like 10, so any solution will work. So linear, or you can go for n cube or 2 raised to n. Okay. So yeah, let's solve it. So now we need linear solution, since the constraint is 10 raised to 5. Okay. Okay. If we go for n square, then it will TLE, like it will time out. So it will be like 10 raised to 10. So it will time out. So let's create a left boundary like 0, and let's create a right boundary as height dot length minus 1. Okay, from left. So it will be at the extreme right, and one is at 0 and one is at the last. Now while left is less than right, we are not going to check equal, because for equal the height will be 0, and we already considered 0 as a maximum. Okay, now let's get the minimum of both of heights, like math dot min of height of left or height of right. Now let's calculate the width, like width is equals to right minus left. Okay, this will be the width. Okay, so it doesn't matter it is pointer or like length. So the difference, we only need the difference. Okay, so yeah. Now the answer max is, we are going to update like math dot max. So this could be possible answer. So we are going to update like answer dot max. If it doesn't the answer was max will be default, and if we have better answer like minimum height star width, this will be the area, height into width. Now it's time to move the pointer. Now if height of left is less than height of right. Okay, so since the height of left is less, we are going to move the left pointer. Okay, we have to move the smaller pointer, because we need the maximum area, so we are going to move a smaller pointer. Now if if else we can move like right pointer. Okay, if both are equal, then we can move any pointer, so we will move right pointer, so that doesn't matter. And at the end we are going to return the maximum answer. Sorry, answer max. Okay, let's try to run this. So it passes. Let's try to submit it. So it passes. Thank you guys.